Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download music on Spotify for offline listening. First, open Spotify and make sure you are signed into your account. Now go to the search option and find any song, album, or playlist that you want to download. For this example, I'll open a playlist and check the available options. Now click the three dots next to the playlist. You may see several options here, such as share and other playlist options. If you do not see a download option, don't worry. The download option for music is available with Spotify Premium, so it may not appear on a free account. In that case, you cannot download the music for offline listening using the available options on your account. If you have Spotify Premium, you should see a download option on supported playlists, albums, or songs. You can select download and wait for the download to finish. After the music is downloaded, you can listen to it without an internet connection through Spotify. Remember that Spotify downloads stay inside the Spotify app. They are not downloaded as regular MP3 files that you can use outside Spotify. So, if you don't see the download option, check whether your Spotify account has premium access. And that's how downloading music on Spotify works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.